How to change your name on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your name on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook application and now click on those three lines up there and click on the setting icon. And here you have the first option, which is personal and account information. Click on it. And now you have the first option, which is name. You can click on it. Wait for a second. And now you can change your first name and the middle name and also the last name. And you should know that if you change your name on Facebook, you can change it again for 60 days. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.